Good with it, y'all. It's another day, another opportunity. So today, well, at least right now, I got other stuff I gotta do today, but right now I'm finna open up this package my boy Tram sent me. My dog, y'all know who. Yeah, I said there you go. But I'm trying to see what he sent me to work on. Working on another project for him. The last one I did was the Mardi Gras dunks. So y'all saw how those turned out. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it. I guess I'll put it on one of the cards. And you can go check that out, man. It's did my thing on them. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I ain't gonna keep it modest on that too. But let's see what he sent me to work on, man. Oh, the wrapping is impeccable. Oh, it was fine last time too. Because I remember I said, you know, I might have to go ahead and hire him. You know. Come pack these packages up for me, my boy. Let's see what we got. What we got. Cause I don't even think he gave me the idea like on what he wanted to do. Okay, yeah, I remember, yeah. Ooh, these things are hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. These are the let me turn that light down a little bit so y'all can see these like beige. These are the canvas Jordan 4s. I believe that these only come out in women's. But these are hard. Like, look at the cushioning and stuff on the inside. These hard, man. He didn't tell me what he wanted me to do to him, so I'm gonna have to email him and see exactly what he wanted me to do to him. But nah, these are tough, bro. These are definitely tough. Okay, alright. Other shoot the same thing. Other shoot the same way. Nah, these hard, bro. These hard. I wonder what he want me to do to him. Oh snap! I gotta turn them all back up. I don't know why these things appear so bright, but nah, that's too bright. But I don't know what you want me to do with these right here, man. I'm gonna have to hit them up and see. But you know, y'all know, it's gonna be big wow, big braids. You feel me? Let me see what else he sent me to work on. I might start doing this on the regular. To show y'all like the kind of shoes that I work on, even if I don't show it in like a video of me painting the actual shoe, you know what I'm saying? I would, golly, this man's packaging is amazing. Let me see, what do you got? My boy, hey, Tram, hey, you finna make me go back to school, you know what I'm saying? Cause you get into it. I can tell. You know what I'm saying? You get into that chicken, man. Woo, woo, woo. Let me see. Am I seeing this right? Okay. Right. Yeah, we gonna have to. Tram, we gonna have to talk. Yeah, we gonna have to talk. What? Are these mine? I did the same thing with, bruh. Because I know you were 8.5. And it's a tension right here. And hold on, can y'all see that? I don't really, I don't really know what to say. These mine? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm finna have to email him. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, those I just messaged him, and these are mine, bro. So, new background alert. You know what I'm saying? These things on full display. Yeah, hey man. Hey, this means so much to me, man. Not because, you know, it's an expensive shoe or whatever, but just the meaning behind it. Like, for somebody to value my work that much, and to, like, me not to have ever met them, and for them to know me, like, bro, like, y'all, I had that shoe. It's literally, cause I don't want y'all, no, you can't. No, this shoe is literally on my tabs, cause it's like shoes that I look at sometimes. Like, look, this is the tab. I had to jump open. Hold on. I end up clicking back. Don't think it's kept, but I end up clicking back, and I had this tab open. Like I told y'all with the last ones, I done had this tab open since they came out. Since they came out. And I was like, I'm looking at them trying to see if they gonna go down in price or what the price is doing. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm not in a position to be spending that much on shoes. You know what I'm saying? It's not in my. I just can't do it right now. You know what I'm saying? I will be in the future. You know what I'm saying? I believe in the Lord, and yeah, I will be in the future, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing that my boy Tram is doing, blessing people with shoes that they desire and stuff like that. But I can't do that, so I'm in this junk like, bruh, I just want the shoe. You feel me? I'm not like, you know, other people. You know how the game has gone now, where it's, oh shoot, I want to get them to resell them, or I want to flex or whatever. No, bruh, that's like, Kobe meant so much to me. You know what I'm saying? And like building my mentality and being able to push on through adversity and stuff like that. Like that man meant so much to me that I just want the shoe. I want to play in the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Cause like I played in Kobe's, and to be real with y'all, when my first time playing in a pair of Kobe's, that's when my game elevated to a whole nother level. I was in the 8th grade, and it was like I went through a season. I'm up to just give y'all some backstories, cadet backstory, man. So I end up my 8th grade year. I actually really wasn't even supposed to be on the team, to be honest with you, but they held a tryout. They already had their people or whatever, but I ended up having like 46 in the tryouts and stuff like that. I couldn't miss, and there was like, I went crazy to where it was the point of, it was undeniable. I came straight off the field. I just finished my football season and stuff like that. And I came in there on the day of tryout and dropped major buckets on their head. And it was undeniable. But during the season, it was like, he didn't want me to shoot. You know what I'm saying? I just was forced into the point guard role and stuff like that, which was cool. I've always been a point guard and stuff like that, but I was a scorer. Like, I could score the ball, you know what I'm saying? So, long story short, I ended up playing AAU ball that summer, and my game just hit another level. And I was wearing some Kobe Huaraches. And ever since then, it just was like, man, I just love Kobe, you know what I'm saying? I love Kobe and what he stood for, what he stands for to this day. And then, you know, just to have these shoes, bruh. So, my deal was, I'm like, bro, I might have to just get the Fufu chance. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't care nothing about the shoe stuff. The reselling of it and stuff like that. I mean, you get your hustle on if you get your hustle on. But that I don't care. I just want the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I want to wear the shoe to be fly or to get buckets in or whatever. I want the shoe on my foot. I'm not trying to. I mean, I got these on display simply because of what they mean to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, somebody thought so much of me to send me though, to spend their hard-earned money, because I know my dog work hard. In a hospital, come on, man. Because I have friends and stuff like that who are nurses and all kinds of people in the medical field, so I know how hard they work. My man worked hard, and he thought so much of me and my work and what I stand for to spend his hard-earned money on these up here. Like, that just mean, that's why I told, like, I've gotten people to see him in my background and stuff like that when I go live on Whatnot and stuff like that, and they'll be like, hey, sell those Kobe's or whatever. I'm like, no, what in the world? And then somebody, I think my dog Ro was like, bro, somebody offered you $20,000, you want to sell them? It's like, no. Because first of all, I believe in the Lord, so money ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? You know, I believe in God, so if he want to give me $20,000, he'll give me $20,000. But these shoes up here mean way more than money to me. You know what I'm saying? It means way more than $20,000. I don't care nothing about that, bro. I can make $20,000. You know what I'm saying? I can't make that again. You know what I'm saying? If I can buy that shoe 100 times over, it'll never be the shoe that Tram bought for me. You know what I mean? So that's just how I feel, man. And I'm really appreciative, man. I'm really. Somebody called me, I don't know who that is. But I'm just extremely appreciative and just honestly blown away by that, man. I just want to tell y'all, you know, the people who consistently support me, watch my videos, and, you know, reach out to me when I take breaks and see if I'm good and all that kind of stuff. I just want to tell y'all I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, man. This has turned into a completely different video. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just wild, man. It's super wild. And y'all don't think I'm trying to flex in the background because my shoes are back there. Don't think that, bro. You know what I'm saying? They just shoes. Those up there will never leave my collection. Never. Hey, if somebody walked up to me today and said you can only have 2 pairs of shoes, bam, there you go. I don't care. I would have sold off them things. You hear me? And they going on foot. Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all the picture I took. I actually wore the Grinches when I went to Dallas. Ooh, the fit was it was slight, but it was decent though. You know what I'm saying? Cause it was too hot to like try to get drippy. But I'll show y'all how to get drippy in those things though. But the GGs, I'm gonna have to come up with something for the GGs. You know what I'm saying? Cause like it's finna get cold again, so I'm gonna have to come up with something for them GG, you know, yeah. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Catch y'all in the next video.